I was in the middle of some alternative anger management therapy, and my patient lost control.
What's his name?
Why?
Because he broke your arm.
No, he had a dissociative episode. He didn't mean to hurt me.
It doesn't matter. The law is clear.
The law is broken.
Abba, 唔好咁啦。而家唔係爭論嘅時候。
啲法例啊黐線㗎，將啲精神病人當作監犯，完全不問根由，簡直罔顧人命。
So, you think this is the solution? To pretend that this didn't happen?
It's a better solution than letting you lock him up. Now I'm in pain. So if you're more worried about being a cop than being my daughter, maybe you should leave.
You can sit down.